Me and my shadow just want to show you how to do this. Over on the front, yeah, these are crusty. Look at that. Yeah, that's a huge difference. Can we get that old girl back on the road and stopping smoothly? That's what we're going to find out today in this video. Hey everyone, I am Monkey Wrench Mike. That is my 1986 Mercedes 420 SEL I bought for less than $700. That is my giant Peking duck I bought for less than $100. I had him shipped to me. He rules the yard. He says it's okay to go ahead and work on the old girl right here. So that's what we're going to do. As you can see, we got a box of parts. Some of these parts are for other vehicles, but inside this one, I think we have mostly brake parts. Okay, we have brake hoses. I have a filter. I have a radio antenna little grommet to replace my duct tape or my regular electrical tape. And then in this box, what do we have? Oh, this is for the Saab. This is for this car, I believe, the Mercedes. And I don't know what that's for. I don't remember. Anyway, the parts list is in the box. And today, yes, we're going to get our hands dirty. No, we're going to do this very, very cleanly. We're going to make her beautiful. And we're going to bring everything to a nice, smooth stop. So let's get the wheels off. We'll start working. Let's do the back brakes first. Then we'll move to the front. Me and my shadow just want to show you how to do this. Okay, so we have our new centric brake hose. We have our new Pagid German brakes. I love these brakes, okay? Love it, love it, love it. And all we have to do is remove this part of the hose. This is an 11, this is a 14. Okay, separate these two, follow this to here. This is a 14 right here. I've already used my PB blaster. I'm so terrified of stripping anything and ruining it, so I really lubricate it and try to get it free as much as possible before we replace that. Then for the brakes right here, these are super easy to replace. These are just 2 pins. You get your little punch. Where's my little punch? Right here. You punch this, the pin comes out that way, the spring comes out, and then the 2 brake pads come out right there. So let's see if I can do this in like record time and show you what's going on. All right, I need to learn how to use this camera that my friend Randy gave me over at Auto Auction Rebuild. So let me see if I can figure out how you do time lapse. Let's see if it'll do that. Well, someone learned how to do the, what's it called? Hypertense on this little camera. Yeah. But look, absolutely. We have everything assembled. We have new brake pads. I mean, I could have replaced the rotors. There's not a lip or anything on these. I think they're going to be fine. Most importantly, we have new hoses and there's no leaks. There's nothing like that. We will bleed the system. So I'm leaving the tires off, but I did give a little bit of grease just around the little points that kind of touch each other to make it perfect. This is one good looking brake caliper, I think. And it's, you know, the discs and everything. It's going to be fine. It's going to be perfect. Over on the front, yeah, these are crusty. But it's basically, it's just larger. And we have the brake pad wear sensor that plugs into the brake pad right there. Okay, so it's we got a longer hose. And look how cracked this one is. That's kind of terrifying. And I found that if you remove this part right here, you can get to the pins easier and you can get to the hose connector right there a lot easier. And a tip that I've always done is, for example, let's say I want to get that hose loose. Okay, so it's an 11. The hose is an 11. Once it's loose, instead of fighting it, I go to a 12 and then I can just grab it and it just comes off so much easier. On the bottom, this is a 17. You don't really have to hold it. It's kind of held in there by the bracket. But on the top, yeah, once it's loose, I'll move to a 12 and just go to town and remove it. Okay, so the same thing here. We have these 2 pins to remove. We do that, take out the spring, and then take this all apart, give it a nice little cleaning and a little lubrication, and we'll put it all back together. On the other side, one of my pins was missing its little clamp that holds it into here, so that's going to be a problem. I don't know if somebody like O'Reilly's is going to have a hardware kit or these little pins, but we'll see. We'll see what happens, okay? Because I don't want to put it back in. I don't want it to pop out and lose brakes. So we're going to have to find another little pin right here. But enjoy some music. We are back in a moment with some new brake pads and a new hose. Well, that is one professionally, by the YouTube standard, done brake and hose project. Okay, we have new brake pads. Everything is nicely lubricated. We have our wear indicator plugged back in. We have the new hoses, which are fantastic. The old ones, I mean, they were still pliable. They felt harder when they were attached to the car, but if you bend it, you can see that there are some cracks in everything. And I'm just trying to see if this is an original hose. 985 or 109. These could be original. They really could be. Which, when you think about it, that's pretty doggone good for these things to last that long. That's that build quality that you talk about for old Mercedes. And yeah, there was some pad left on these, but I just wanted to be 100% sure. It was very inexpensive to change the pads, and now I have complete ease of mind, and I'm very happy about this. We didn't lose very much transmission fluid. We didn't lose very much brake fluid either, and all that crap, all the particles you see in there, yeah, that's just dirt and grease and everything. Okay, so I do have to find the one pin. I got to find a pin somewhere before we can take this for a drive. We also have to bleed the system. Okay, even though we lost just that amount of brake fluid, there's air in all 4 hoses, and so I'm going to have to use my mighty bleeding system to do that. So we'll get all the brakes bled, and I'll look around the house and see if I have another pin. If not, we'll get everything buttoned up, and then we'll just have to find a pin online or at a pull-apart yard. Something else we need to do, I don't know if we've ever even checked the air filter. I don't know. I really don't know. I tell you, when I was putting on the headlight, oh, have I showed you the headlight? I found this. This is the little screw that goes on top here. It popped out like the car was saving it for me. It knew that I would be finding it, and it knew that it trusted me to bring it back to life. So I think this car right here, this is the one right here. Oh, this is kind of cracked. That always gets screwed up. It hits that air hose. All right, how bad is it? I don't even know. Well, I should have ordered another. I should have got the little one too, but this one, this is old. Look how old this is. Okay, let's vacuum out that part, and then I'll show you the new one. This old vacuum used to be for the house. It has now been relegated to old Mercedes, and it loves it. Right? Right? It needs a good cleaning, I'll tell you that, though. Let's see what the new one looks like. It's gonna be pretty and yellow. Ooh, big difference. Do I get the other one? Nope, I gotta order the other one. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, that's a huge difference. So thank you for your service. You are now done. So, Mr. Hengst. Look at this. I wonder why that's right there. I don't know. Okay, perfect. 38 years of dust and grime gone. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Ouch. There it is. Yo, Benzo, you're looking good. You're a good duck. Good boy. You want to give me 5? You want to be like Lola? You want to pound it out? No? Okay, that's all right. Hey, remember when I said I found some extra brake parts in the car? I think I saved some of them. I've just kind of thrown some stuff like right in here, and I've been looking. I mean, I don't know. This is an extra spring, so I kept that. This is something for the seat. I've got one brake pad. What else have I got in here? Wait a minute. Wait. What is that right there? This right here. Come on. Oh. Look at that. That is exactly what I need. The one that came off was missing the top piece. See this right here? It was missing that. So that means we can complete the job. So we'll clean this up. We'll grease it kind of right through here where it slides on the pin, because where'd the pin go? Yeah, it lives just like that right there. And then, oh my goodness, that's exactly what I needed. Okay, we'll get this on and we're gonna button up the car, and I'm gonna wait on my little gasket, my Euro gasket, for the antenna, because I got to make sure that the antenna even works. I cannot get the radio to work, and I can't get any of the HVAC systems to work either. So we're going to put this in our little parts bin that I'm so happy that I kept. Oh, that made my whole day. And I don't know why I'm keeping that. Maybe I should throw it away. I'm going to throw it away. Yeah, whatever this, yeah. All these little pieces we'll just keep in the box. We will throw the brake pad away, but this was gold.